Blessed day, I'm Florence, your nutritional consultant. We will continue with the topic of liver, which is our body's largest organ, as mentioned in my previous video. So let's look at this diagram in a bit more complex details by looking specifically at the liver. So here we have the liver. Aorta brings oxygenated blood to the liver through the left and right hepatic artery. Again, this is oxygen-rich blood from the heart, and this actually only supplied about 1/4 of the blood to the liver. Then we have the vein leaving the liver towards the heart. They are the right, middle, and left hepatic vein, which connects to the inferior vena cava, then goes back to the heart. Then we have the portal vein, which brings in nutrient, and this comes from intestines, and this is about 3/4 of the blood supply going to the liver. So it is much more oxygen supplied than the hepatic artery. Again, the portal vein brings in nutrients from digestive organs. Then remember we have the gallbladder here, which connects to the liver, and this was bowel for secretion, and many bowel ducts within the liver because of this connection. Now we know better on how the blood supply to the liver. Next, let's have a closer look on the daily jobs that our liver have to carry in our bodies. Most of us overlook the role of our liver already plays in detoxifying our body, and these include filters our blood, processes nutrients, remove toxins such as byproducts from the breakdown of drugs, alcohol, and foreign substances. Anything that is eaten or consumed, whether it is food, alcohol, medicines, or toxins, gets filtered by the liver. Once we ingest food, it is digested by the stomach and intestines, gets absorbed into the blood and goes to the liver. The liver then detoxifies the blood so that blood leaving by the hepatic vein is free from toxins. The cells that process these toxins break them into molecules that are less risky for our bodies and eliminate the toxins out through urine and stool. Some of the specific ways our liver breaks down toxins. Let's take a look at the metabolisms of proteins. Liver cells change amino acids in food so that they can be used to produce energy or water-made carbohydrates or fat. A toxic substance called ammonia is a byproduct of this process. The liver cells then convert ammonia to a much less toxic substance called urea, which is released into the blood. Urea is then transported to the kidneys and passes out of the body in urine. A beautiful organ couldn't be more of a helping hand for those late nights out drinking. Our liver will safely handle the alcohol by turning it into a chemical called acetate, which other tissues in our body break down into carbon dioxide and water. But prolonged drinking can damage our liver. Please don't put our liver to test. Steer clear of alcohol and other harmful stuff. However, our liver filters out more than just toxins from our blood. Red blood cells begin the life cycle from the bone marrow. They live around 120 days until they undergo hemolysis in the liver. Hemolysis occurs when Kupffer cells, which are the macrophages residing in the liver, to perform erythrophagocytosis. Kupffer cells also serve as part of our body immune system. Kupffer cells make up 80 to 90% of our body's tissue, macrophages, and activated when they sense bacteria, all bacterial endotoxins. Upon activations, they release various products include cytokine, reactive oxygen species, and nitric oxide, all to defend the body. In other words, these cells destroy any disease-causing agents that might enter the liver through the gut. Besides that, liver also acts as a storage site for some vitamins and minerals. The liver stores vitamin A, D, E, K, B12, iron, and copper. The first four are fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, one of the best-known functions, is its role in vision. It is important for the maintenance of healthy urinary tract, lung, and intestine. Vitamin A also supports healthy skin cells, male and female reproduction. Vitamin D helps our body absorb phosphorus and calcium, which is essential to strengthen bones. Vitamin E is antioxidant, protecting our body from free radicals and flushes out toxins. Finally, vitamin K protects our bone and helps our blood clot normally. Unlike most of the water-soluble vitamins, B12 is stored in substantial amounts, mainly in the liver, until it is needed by the body. Several years' worth of this vitamin is held as a backup. It helps in the formation of red blood cells and in the maintenance of central nervous system. The liver stores iron from hemoglobin in the form of ferritin, a protein produced by the liver, ready to make new red blood cells. The liver also stores and releases copper. With the help of vitamin K, liver produces proteins that are important for blood clotting. We should thank our liver the next time we've got cut or injury. The reason why we don't bleed to death is because clotting factors, which create a kind of natural bandage. Many of these clotting factors are synthesized by the liver. When the blood absolute broken, hemostasis, which is the process that stops bleeding, can occur. In the same way, if something is out of balance in our body, a variety of physiological reactions will kick it until the set point is once again reached. There is an urgency to take care of our liver because its ability to function properly impacts almost every system in the body. Damage to this organ can be a major problem. A healthy liver is able to regenerate damaged cells and bounce back from occasional damage. Our liver is the only organ in our body that can regrow after parts of it have been removed or damaged. In fact, our liver can grow back to its full size in just a matter of months. However, repeated heavy scarring of the liver can surpass the liver's ability to recover. The more damage a liver incurs, the harder it is to fulfill its many responsibilities. A healthy liver depends on adequate amount of sleep, regular exercise, emotional intelligence, which to be happy all the time, healthy diet and nutrition. Take care of our liver with wholesome food, the creation of God. Planting a healthy seed and our liver will keep loving us back. That's all my sharing. Stay tuned for my next video and I'll be sharing that most people don't think about liver's health in terms of weight loss. Please like and share and you can start following my Facebook page as well as Instagram. Please do comment if you would like me to share others nutritional topic. Thank you for watching. Additional information. Here is the list of natural sources of vitamin K.